Yes, it's a beautiful day in Philadelphia, and I couldn't find a better place to be than to be on the tracks here in Germantown. This is Hewitt. This is your boy Hewitt, and I'm on the tracks. And what am I gonna do today? I'm gonna try to see if I can do some running on the tracks. This is part of Hewitt's daily workout routine. So come with me as we go around the tracks. I'm trying to see if I can make it all around the tracks today. Come on. So I'm almost at the end, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn around and do it in style. Backwards, baby, backwards. Here we go. Backwards running. This is your boy Hewitt. Hewitt's daily workout routine. Baby! Here I am, where I started. Here, baby. Thank you for watching. Let me turn around and show everybody. Here we are. Started right here. It's a beautiful day. Come on and join me and subscribe to Hewitt's daily workout routine. Baby.